Here is something nobody in the data education industry wants to tell you. Most people who start learning data or AI skills never land a job in the field. Not because they are not smart, not because they don't work hard, but because the way most people are learning is fundamentally disconnected from the way job market actually works. Think about the typical journey. You find a Udemy course. You watch hours of videos content, maybe multiple courses. You get a certificate and then you apply and get rejected. You have no idea why. Because the course taught you SQL, but it didn't teach you how to position yourself in the market. It didn't show you what employers in the city, in your sector are actually looking for right now. It gave you absolute no one to check in on your progress and adjust your strategy. Knowledge is not the same thing as readiness, and readiness is not the same thing as strategy. The people who learn data jobs and learn them fast have few things in common. They have structured, outcome-oriented learning with real proof of work. They have visibility into the live job market. They have a network they have been building before they apply. And this is the one most people underestimate. They have accountability or something or someone keeping them on track even when motivation drops. Because here's the truth. Motivation is not a strategy, systems are. You cannot rely on how you feel on a Monday morning to determine whether you work on your career that week. You need something external keeping you moving, and that is almost impossible to create alone. That is the entire design principle behind the DeDataHub. Structured tracks with real projects and AI career advisor that simultaneously tracks the job market and your progress. Proactive engagement that doesn't wait for you to log in, and a community of people doing exactly what you are doing. If you are in the majority that has been learning but not landing, the problem is not you, it's the absence of a full system, and that's what we have built. The DeDataHub is live for beta users now. Public launch is the 5th of April. Link in the description. If you have questions, drop them below and make a comment. Subscribe. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and I will see you next time. Thank you.